Throughout history, every culture around the globe has created inventive ways to calculate. To solve a problem, say 12 times 15, early Russian peasants used a system of doubling and halving. When an odd number, halved, resulted in a fraction, they rounded down. Then they added the factors associated with the odd multipliers. Ancient Egyptians relied on a doubling procedure until they produced enough groups. Then they added these groups to find the answer. Across Europe and Asia during the Middle Ages, the abacus was the handheld calculator of its day, but only very few people knew how to use it, usually wealthy merchants and moneylenders. By simply moving beads that each had place value, an abacus was a highly efficient way to compute. Then, the great Arab mathematician Al-Khwarizmi introduced the Hindu-Arabic numerals 0 through 9 into North America and Europe and created new procedures for computation. These algorithms could be written onto paper. Over the centuries, learning the algorithms became the hallmark of an education as students were taught to compute long columns of figures, borrow and carry, and do long division efficiently and reliably. They could now keep records of these procedures and check results. Today, complex calculations are done with a handheld calculator. This means students need the ability to check the reasonableness of the answer and to have a rich repertoire of mental math strategies to do that. Most simpler computations, like 12 times 15, can be solved mentally using a variety of strategies. As we journey through the rich and vibrant history of mathematics, we can see how ideas and creations grew out of our very human need to solve the problems in our everyday lives. Through time, the mathematical explorations of men and women from around the globe have given us fascinating lenses that help us to mathematically view and make sense of our worlds.